How to record video in the iPad but in the 4K resolution. Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course the resolution that depends on your iPad model, because if you have some like very old iPad, it may not work, but it very just depends on your actual iPad. But you can get inside your camera as usual, right? And when you switch to the video mode, you'll be able to click on the resolution right there, and you can switch between the HD and 4K. At least in my iPad, that is the case, but that's of course not even the latest model, so it will very likely work that way. So you can capture the video like this, and of course it will be saved in 4K. For the past recorded videos, you check them out inside of the gallery, and if they are in the full screen, you can swipe up on it and the information is going to appear, and there you're going to check out the resolution. So it's not going to outright say that it's like 4K, but it's going to give you the pixels, and you can see based on that what resolution it is, right? So you can really just record 4K videos on your iPad as long as the camera supports it, so no problem with that. However, for more professional approach to capturing videos, I just quickly want to mention that as well. I like to use either the Blackmagic camera or the Final Cut camera. Both are free apps developed mostly for iPhone, but those allow you to be much more professional with the capturing of the footage, right? So it also lets you like change the resolution, of course, no problem, and also some plenty of like additional features that are going to be available there, like overexposure indicator and focus peaking and all of that, right? So I believe that if you want to be very professional with your videos, then you can explore these apps as well. So let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe for the upcoming videos as well, and I'll catch you later.